This video answers the search how to buy shares of Darkiris Inc. and shows the core steps. Darkiris Inc. is an industrial optical and imaging systems company listed on NASDAQ with the ticker DKI. This is educational content, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the flow. After registering, you will typically verify your account, which often requires an identity document, and you will need to add funds before placing a purchase. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker DKI to find the company. Confirm you have selected the correct Darkiris listing on NASDAQ before proceeding. On the stock page, check the company summary and the price chart to confirm details such as market and ticker. Verify this is the Darkiris Inc. listing and review the basic public information available. To buy, choose the investor trade option, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled as a market or limit order. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, your position will appear in the portfolio view. For the example link and more details, check the description.